Here are 22 apps for 2022. Let's get right in. When I used to have online classes at my school, I always kept zoning out because phones are finally allowed in school and who needs education?
My place is true that I'll study hard.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
But the problem was I eventually had to zone back in and got a find where the teacher has reached in the textbook. This is where Find It jumps in. Just hear a fancy word in the class, input the word in this app and point the camera towards your text. The word will get highlighted via AR and works perfectly. 100 on 10 recommended for all my school peeps. Next up we have a wallpaper app called Walpy. The app features an end amount of wallpapers on the home screen itself, with two sections, namely latest and popular. The app also has a lot of collections made by many people. Definitely worth checking out, but another app that is also worth checking out is called ProPix. It features an immense number of minimal and subtle wallpapers for punch hole camera displays. You can also find wallpapers for AMOLED displays which look absolutely beautiful. Oh, and if you're a fan of live wallpapers, there's a section for that as well, so you might want to check that out too. There are some situations when you want to take a screenshot on your phone, but the app you're using notifies the other person of the same. Well, by using an app called Private Screenshots, you can easily skip getting caught. Thank me later.
Ad-free music on 6 personal accounts.
Who played that? For Mutify to work, make sure that device broadcast status is turned on in Spotify settings. Then open the Mutify app, enable the switch and start listening. Now enjoy listening to music, not with annoying ads, but with random moments of complete silence. Or maybe just get Spotify Premium. Smartphone addiction is real. The colorful icons compel you to open the app even when you don't want to. It is designed in such a way, and in no time you are stuck in an infinity scroll and gets hard to stop it. That's why Minimalist Phone, a launcher, was created to get smartphone addiction in control. And it helps. In simpler terms, it makes your phone absolutely boring. I mean, just look at the UI. The ring shows how much battery is left. There's a widget for showing the time and date. You can add up to 3 favorite apps, and that's about it for the home screen. Swipe left and you will see a text-based list of all the apps. Yes, there are no icons to make it look absolutely boring and make you open the app that you seriously want to use. Upon opening an app, it will ask you how much time you want to spend on that app in that particular session. Works like a wonder to curb addiction. There are situations when you want to quickly remove background from a photo, and this app is the perfect one. Remove.bg lets you remove the background from any image within a few seconds, and it works very well. And then you might as well want some Instagram tools like no crop post, repost, space adder, swipeable photo, etc. So you can download Gbox for that. It features all these tools with some more all in one package. You get 10 free module usages in a month, but you can buy the Pro version which isn't expensive at all and worth it. Another tool for Instagram is Unfold, which features templates for stories. A lot of the templates are available for free under different categories, and many more come in the premium version. The next app on the list is called VLC. I don't know why would anyone use this app for playing videos in their phone, but you can actually play YouTube videos in background with this app. Check this out. Want to know how this trick works? Check the link in my description to see 3 ways to watch YouTube videos in background, all for free. Alright fam, let's hop in the car for the next one. So this app is called HUD Widgets, and what it does is that it gives you different heads-up display widgets to be used while driving. Basically, you choose a widget like a speedometer and enable the HUD mode. Now simply place the phone on the dash and start driving. You can see your driving stats reflected on the windshield. Usually heads-up displays are available in luxury and premium cars, but there's a solution to everything, right? Let's go back. Now if you're like me who isn't getting their driving license anytime soon and still flexing on the big red L sticker on their car, this app is for you. Living in Delhi, I use the Delhi Metro Navigator app all the time, and it's actually better than the official DMRC app. The app shows a detailed route between 2 stations, information regarding parking availability, first and last metro, and whatnot. Sometimes we open old albums and find black and white photos and wish to see them in color, right? You can download Colorize for that. Simply open the app and scan or upload a photo and watch the AI do its magic. It's that easy. New red task on a to-do list, I have the best app for that. TickTick, yes, not TikTok. An app for making to-do lists lets you set a deadline for the particular task, set a color of priority, and you can also sort the tasks. Basically different lists for home, work, etc. for example. Another app that can be used simultaneously with TickTick is Pinnit. You can create notifications that cannot be swiped. To remove it, you'll have to either unpin or delete the task. The best part is that you can create a schedule for repeating tasks. There are times when you receive a WhatsApp voice message and the situation doesn't allow you to listen to that. This is where Transcriber for WhatsApp jumps in. When you receive a voice message, tap and hold and press share. Now choose Transcriber and it will transcribe the voice note for you to read it. It has saved me from a lot of weird scenarios and I would definitely recommend. And talking about WhatsApp, isn't it crazy how some apps take n number of permissions for no use? Well, Privacy Dashboard tells you which app took what permission in use and also provides a summary of it, similar to Digital Wellbeing's dashboard. At times you need to transfer files quickly between your phone and PC and you don't want to send another email to yourself. Try using either Snapdrop or Clipt by OneLab. Snapdrop is an app for Android and iOS and you can install its Chrome app for your Windows or Mac. Make sure the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and launch the clients on the devices. Tap on the receiver's icon from the sending device and choose a file. Easy to use. On the other hand, Clipt is an app for Android and uses Chrome browser extension to work with Windows and Mac. The devices need not be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as you need to link your devices with the Google account. It serves as a universal clipboard which works pretty smoothly. Plus you can also transfer files between the two devices linked. And now it's time for two icon packs. First is called Linebit Icon Pack. At a cost of 110 rupees, it features over 4,000 colorful icons, and there's a section for wallpapers too that go well together with the icons. Sadly, many icons are missing from this, which is pretty normal, and you can request the developer for the same. The other app is called Lineon Icon Pack, and as the name suggests, it has neon icons. One thing I love the most about this pack is that if an icon is missing, it makes up for it automatically, so that the icons don't feel incomplete. All the icons from these two icon packs look absolutely beautiful on dark wallpapers, and I love it. It's getting dark now and my phone's lowest brightness still feels like a light bulb. By using Screen Dimmer, you can decrease your screen's brightness to lower than the lowest possible. It really eases out the eye strain while using the phone in the dark. And that is it fam for this video. Which app did you like the most? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.